reward.
This is SCPD. Everyone quickly and quietly evacuate the station.
I'm on it.
New frequency. Same.
Get her out of here.
Dad was right. There's nothing left inside of you, Sarah. I'm in position. In position.
Sweetheart.
I think that you and I can both agree that our relationship is a little unconventional.
Yes, man, I should have been a first clue. Listen, sweetheart. You just be careful out there, all right? Because I don't know what I'd do if anything.
Is that the best you've got? It's 4 of you and a lot more of us.
I guess you decided you didn't need anyone's protection.
Oh, that's pretty. You take voice lessons?
Stay away from her.
Oh, I would never hurt her.
I have eyes on this abandoned complex at 7th and Ruka.
Put the word out among our assets in Star City. Whoever leads us to Asahi will be rewarded handsomely.
Keep her there. We're on our way.
Lisa, stop! We have to get out of here. Run! Go! Get inside! I've got her approaching 7. At least there's no signs of the beast.
Few upgrades, by the way. You know why we're here. Hand over the idol, and there won't be any trouble.
Well, there's gonna be trouble then.
I want you to give your father a message from me. I want you to tell him I'm a man of my word.
I have something for you.
It's Laurel's Black Canary costume.
Yeah, I thought you could use it here, but you know, maybe Earth 2 needs a Black Canary.
I just really hope one day I'm actually worthy of it. A friend of your parents. You're lucky we got here when we did.
To watch my back.
It's what canaries do. You still have a long way to go to prove that you're a hero. Take it from someone who knows how hard it can be. And don't screw it up.
You all need some help.
It's a good thing you called for backup.
This place is jammed.
We need to get these people clear and find that device now.
Oliver's right.
What? I'm happy that you two are on the same side, finally. But how can you be siding with the woman who tried to destroy your life?
She actually did me a favor. If I hadn't have toyed around with being Black Siren again, then I never would have realized that that's not the life that I want to live. Maybe Emiko will have the same realization.
If people...
What happened to us being public enemy #1?
Laurel, thank you.
That last-minute SCPD assist really helped turn the tide.
Stand down.
Oliver, what the hell are you doing on my Earth? Oh, look who it is. And you brought a friend to my secret bunker.
He's lucky to have a hero like you in it.
Wow.
Nice of you to show up.
To focus on the mission.
First of all, there is no we here, and the only mission that I care about is saving what's left of my Earth.
Laurel.
Screw the Monitor, Oliver, and screw you too. Johnny told me you were about to do something stupid.
What the hell?
If that's nerd talk for breach device, then yes, and I need you to fix it. So, you won't mind if we test it out? You're lying.
Fix it! Fix it!
Oh, great. Looks like we made it back just in time to... You must be the Monitor.
How do you know?
Because no human would actually wear something so ridiculous. Apparently, his customers.
Nice to see this one still charming.
How's the search going?
God, I can't stand pity parties.
Easy for you to say. You're the Black Canary. All I've ever heard are stories about how great you are. The teacher you even saved me with, like it was nothing.
I'll deal with the muscle. You just watch my back.
I didn't think you were gonna make it.
Me either. I've decided not to join you in your cosmic fashion tragedy that you're in cahoots with. Then you won't get your Earth back. If saving it means going back to the person that I used to be, then what the hell is the point? You really have changed. Look, I'm new to this whole doing the right thing game, but you should really tell your family the truth. Not yet. Then this is gonna be a little awkward. I'm sorry to take you out of your bubble, but we really need you. Mia's in position. D, you're us. And we'll take care of Logan and his friends. What? You'll be fine.
Doctor's not here.
Why don't we go back to talking about Mia's love life?
That's not.
You know I dated your dad, right? Two bodies beside her, I'm guessing they're guards.
How much more company can we expect?
Depends on how fast we move.
Ready?
You're gonna have to do better than that. Welcome back.
Oh my God. Who are you bitches?
So what's the plan?
I plan on getting as drunk as humanly possible.
No,
I'm fine, like always.
There was nothing about you that needed to be fixed.
there's something nice about it too.